Hi, Pat.
Hello, hi Yuri.
You are the first person after me.
Yeah. um, yeah, I just edit the slide myself, so I'm not sure about updates, but I guess we'll wing it. Okay, let's see.
The important update, there are two, actually. The VDR phase 3 is approved, so it's done. And the second update, as far as I know, is the tests of the patch that we done for socials. Yeah, and I asked Alan if he can share his integration project, but I think that he's not ready yet, because the idea is to educate the community guys to use this project to test different versions.
Okay, so it's what we have in the slide.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So new release, milestone, and yep.
Yep. And what else? Oh, we are going to add new sections to the documentation to have some progress with our docs, but I don't know how to allocate time for this.
Oh, okay. Maybe we can say something that the doc is under restructuring something.
Yep. And I closed the discussion about Breeze Node and TB-Sync resources. So we agreed this 1 week ago. Oh, hi, Alan.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Alan.
By the way, I started using Codex AI heavily in my Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Have you tried?
No, but I actually tried to use Copilot like a year ago, and I think it was pretty not very
Yes.
helpful. Like autocomplete is not that much helpful, but I think this year is I mean the capability has changed a lot. So with the agent mode and all the AI
Yeah,
companies are implementing this agent thing, it's awesome.
it's awesome. It's just
Yeah.
awesome. And I'm slightly depressed because I see that I don't need to know particular low-level details to produce some code. I just have to switch to the mode when I can clearly define the task for the agent and decompose the flow in order to do the step-by-step.
Yeah. And there are many workflow, right? People keep inventing a new one. Have you heard of SpecKit?
Not yet. I haven't tried it. I tried OpenLlama. It was not so good from my point of view. And this codex is like, wow.
Yeah. So there's kind of so if you try to make AI do something, it can do to the certain level. And if you want to do something big, so people try to make like people try to play with context, right? So people make something like a product requirement document, and the AI has to follow that. And this is the new thing, the new kids on the block, spec kit. So you write the spec, and then AI will follow your spec, like, and you leave the hole for the implementation for AI to fill.
It looks like sooner or later we will be replaced by this tool.
Oh,
By people who know how to use these tools.
yeah. Well, instead of writing code, maybe we will write specs. And audit, yeah, of course, we have audit.
Yep. Hi, Fabio. It looks like we don't have any other community members, which is slightly PT.
So this tool is for what? Sorry.
This one, it's for you to define a spec. So like when you want to build a new project, you say what is the specification of the endpoint, what is the spec of the database, and so on and so on, and then the AI would implement according to your spec.
So you pass the specs and it implements
Yeah, kind of, yeah,
the
something.
specs.
Yeah, but I haven't played with this, but this is very it's gaining a lot of traction lately. Yeah. Maybe I'll try someday.
What language does it support?
English, I guess. Well, we don't need to touch the code anymore. So you write the spec in English and it would.
But it implements in what language? Do you know?
I think with AI you should be able to define anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have any members joining.
Okay, but I guess you can start and just announce the updates, and we can keep this meeting pretty short.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So the Hyperledger Densus community call September 16th, and please read the Identus policy notice and the code of conduct. So, okay, let's keep it quick. Yeah, so agenda for today, we have some updates, and then after this, we're gonna be reviewing some GitHub issue and Q&A, which should be very quick. So, yeah, last week, so Fabio gave a very impressive presentation on the video and the specification. Yeah, so anything you want to add from last week, Fabio?
No, so I have some updates that I want to do to the specs. So it's still in the draft. So we have like until the end of the Catalyst program. I think we have some time to improve the specs, but it's basically done. I just want to add a new section for custom data in there. But other than that, I think it's pretty much done. There are some topics that I want to discuss, but let's first discuss internally, and then I would open a discussion on GitHub for other people to join.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's the VDR, and after that, so we have the spec, and we submit the project, and VDR is now completed for milestone 3, and it's approved. So we are on our way to milestone 4. So there's some work in progress already. I have started it, but I haven't continued with doing this. So this is the issue to track it. So there's the implementation of the driver, and I have managed to get that integrated in CloudAgent, but haven't really tested yet. So once we are done with any other priorities, I think I will check it out soon. Yeah, so that's for the VDR, and I think we are also fixed the issue about the status list. So right now the status list will support the ED25519 key, and that's already merged. And right now the agent and the next release is being tested. So Alan, do you have anything to add for this topic?
No, I'm testing everything. I'm gonna release the results on the integration page.
Oh, okay. Can I see it? Can we check it?
Right now, there's nothing.
Ah, okay. Okay, maybe soon we'll see it. Yeah, and that's all for the oh, that's all for the cloud agent. And we also have another work stream to improve the documentation. So our internal writer is going to be publishing, or not publishing, but asking us to review a documentation. So that's on its way, and sooner or later we are gonna have a new documentation ready to be consumed by.
It's not new documentation, it's additional sections like learning and use cases. That
Okay,
yeah,
okay. New
yeah.
section. New section, not a new. Okay, okay. Thanks, Yuri. Yeah, so that's it for the update. So any, I don't think we have question, but okay, for the sake of completeness, are there any questions?
No questions. Thank you, but
Yep.
I also closed the discussion about DB Sync resources. It's addressing Cardano DB Sync resource waste. So this conversation is closed as we agreed. So
I have a question about the VDRs. We in the roadmap we say that we have a workshop to do for the milestone.
Yep.
Should we plan the date for the? We need to start planning that workshop, in my opinion.
Yes, I suppose we need to do this in the phase 4, even if it was one of the criteria for the phase 3. Because the meeting where you presented the specification and we discussed it is not a workshop, but it was enough to complete this phase.
Yeah, we should like have a workshop with in the Identus community after we merge. So, but at least we should like plan the date so we can have a end date.
Let's plan it in 1 month. Okay, 1 or probably 6 weeks.
Yeah, but let's put the date on the calendar and inform the community about the workshop and stuff like that.
And we need that in the CloudGen as well, right? For the workshop.
Yeah, yeah. We should have like use cases for it.
Okay.
So we have some time, but we need to plan it.
Okay, cool.
It's basically a demo showing that everything is working and the milestone 4 is finished and the whole project is finished.
Is there nobody in community call today? Apart from us?
Outside of the maintainers, no.
No.
Yeah,
Okay.
just us. Okay. Any other topics, or otherwise, I guess we can close the call.
Nothing from me.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Yep. Cool. Yep. Let's keep it quick and return everyone time to go back to work. Yep. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Pat. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Yeah. See you.
Thank
Bye bye.
you. Good night. Yeah. Bye.